Hi, it's Monica from Mystic Lashes. I wanted to touch a little bit on training today. I was talking to somebody the other day and they said that training is really, really expensive. And this person was saying, you know, you charge a lot for lashes, the training that you do is really expensive, I don't want to pay that much. And it got me thinking, how good are you when you don't train, when you don't improve your knowledge? You don't necessarily have to go on loads of courses, but you need to go and actually learn from people that have been doing it for a while. So whether you watch YouTube videos, whether you read books or magazines, you do case studies, you practice yourself, whether you get models for free, whether you do loads of research online. There's so many ways to learn. You don't literally just have to go on the course and learn. You have to have the basics from the courses, but then you can build on that, so you can create this huge thing. But if you think about it, if the course was cheap, what does that mean? That either means that there is many people in the group, where I don't do that. I do up to 3 to 4 people in one group, because that's the optimal level of knowledge they can get in such a group. Otherwise, I can't stretch myself to cover sort of 8 students and actually teach them anything. So I believe in small groups. So if you think about it, if I was to charge someone a lot less, I'd have to increase the size of the group, which means none of you are learning anything. On the other hand, I don't believe that prices that I charge are actually expensive, because the courses that I go to are way more expensive. Because the thing is, you can't just do one course, you can't just do just one thing and expect to be an absolute amazing at it. You have to practice, you have to research, you have to learn more, you have to go on other courses, you have to go on conferences, you have to do competitions, you have to do so much more to actually grow in your role. And if you think about any other job, it's exactly the same. You go on courses, you go on training, you then change roles in other jobs, and then you learn more. So you always have to be one step ahead of yourself. You always have to be one step ahead of the game. So if you are not willing to invest money, how can you possibly earn money? It's the same with energy. If you don't use energy, you don't get energy. It's the same thing. So if you think about it, it is an investment in your future, and you will have to purchase tools, you will have to purchase your bed, you have to purchase your light, because you will have to start with something. But in the end of the day, if you think about that, that gives you such a strong foundation that you can actually grow your huge business. You can earn a lot of money. You can make a lot of people so happy and proud that they go to you, and they'll recommend you and be really amazed about what you can do and how you can make them feel and how you can make them look. But if you haven't got the strong foundation, you can't build on that. So it's the same with houses. If the house has a weak foundation, it will never stand straight. It will never be glamorous and beautiful, because it will just collapse and crumble. So if you save money on training, then your foundation is weak. If you then don't develop even further, go on to workshops, mentoring, anything like that, then how can you expect to build this castle that it could be? So this was just, you know, just a little bit of a thought, because I just couldn't believe that people would try to save money on their education, on their, you know, the quality of the training that they get. So if you are looking for training, please don't save. Whatever training you're doing, please don't try to save money on that, because that will give you the foundation that you require. That will give you the strength to go forward and actually build something amazing that will bring you loads of money. So that's just a quick thought. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.